welcome to another episode of Uncommon Knowledge. I'm Dr. Taiwo Drawade. Thank you for spending your time with me today. So, did you know you could control your period with birth control? So, let's say you're planning a vacation and then you realize that you're going to be on your period on this vacation. Well, you can delay your period with birth control. So, there are different kinds of birth control. There's the pill, there's the patch, there's the ring, there's the injection or the shot, there's the implant, and there's the IUD. Now, you can't really control your periods with the implants or the IUD or the injection because those are implanted inside your body. But with the pill, the patch, and the ring, you can definitely have more control over when your period comes. So let's start with the pill. So the pill comes in a pack of 4 rows, usually. Each row is a week. Each week, except the 4th week, has birth control hormone in it. So you take a pill a day every week, and then the 4th week that doesn't have any hormone in it is the week you have your period. So let's say you don't want to have your period that week. You just start a new packet of birth control pills that has the hormones in it. And you can, take that pack for 1 week and then stop it to have your period. Or you can continue it up until the 4th week on that second pack. So that's how you can determine when you want your period to come with the birth control pill. The birth control patch, you place that on weekly. So it's just a patch. You place it weekly, one a week for 3 weeks. And then the 4th week, you don't put a patch on. And that's the week you have your period. So let's say you're going on vacation. Instead of leaving the patch off that 4th week, you just put a new patch on. And then when you want to have your period, you leave the patch off. All right. Next is the ring. The ring is placed in the vagina. The way you place a tampon is how you would place the ring. It stays in there for 3 weeks. And then you take it out the 4th week to have a period. So let's say you don't want to have your period. You can leave the ring in that 4th week instead of taking it out. And then take it out the next week to have a period. Or you can just put a new ring in, and that one can stay in for another 3 weeks, and then you have your period the 4th week of that ring. Now, we don't recommend that you do this continuously. We don't want you to skip your periods every month. This is because your body wants to have a period. So what can happen is you can have unpredictable bleeding, like bleeding you're not expecting or anticipating. So we recommend that you give your body a break at least every 3 months. Let yourself have a period, and then you can restart that skipping if you choose to do so. I hope you found this helpful. Go ahead and book an appointment with us at didomedical.com. Let's find the best option for you, and let's give you a little bit more control over your periods. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on Instagram and Facebook. I will see you on the next episode of Uncommon Knowledge.